Okay, this course was created. In an online class using Google Sites. So Google Sites is directly embedded within Google, and each teacher within Woodbridge Township School District has this domain, Woodbridge Township School District, and we are a part of Google. See that Google account? So I chose Google Sites as a platform, as a technology platform that can be accessible to teachers. This Google Sites page, which offers teachers professional development courses that's designed within, can be shared to with teachers. Here's a share button right here. So first, when I first began and I thought about how to design online course for teachers, I thought about what platforms teachers are currently using and how to embed that platform, how to embed Google Sites or a learning platform within a platform that teachers are already using. So I chose the Samr model for the focus of this professional development because teachers have been given in my district iPads, and we are all expected to utilize iPads effectively within the classroom, Google Chromebooks within the classroom, technology within the classroom. So I chose the Samr model because it's a very popular model, a very useful popular model that helps to guide teachers to know what stage they're at all times and what level they're at. If they're at the augmentation stage, substitution stage, redefinition stage, which we're currently all trying to push teachers to, how to utilize this model to help with the technology embedment within their class. So I started out with our mission statement here. I created this mission statement based off of what the needs are as a whole district, some needs that have been discussed within the district data analysis team, which I'm a part of with the assistant superintendent. So I decided to build a website that offers online professional development, which can be done. Teachers can take this whenever they're free, since it's online. It's asynchronous. It doesn't have to be done in order. They could do it when they have time. And this could also be embedded right within the Google Classroom. So from here, you have our mission. This is the main page. They can click courses. They can click schedule to see when the courses are offered. Resources, which I've uploaded a website that goes over software and hardware part of the iPad, which is a device that the district has purchased for us. Any announcements, any changes, they could click there to see announcements, register, and if they wanted to contact me, the owner of this page, they can, but there could also be other contacts listed there. So courses, once you click this from the main menu here, the user would see this course A, which and I put open means that they can currently register for the course, and it's on the Samr model. Once they click the Samr model, after they click within view courses, they will be able to have a lesson on to help them better understand what the Samr model is. I just put this on the website just so you can kind of see where I'm going at with my train of thought. Course B, open for registration in March, but this course would be on using data to drive instruction, which is a current topic that our district is also tackling on our district data analysis team. Course C, open for registration June 2016, is increasing teacher effectiveness. And this is, by this point, we would have a course examining how effective teachers are utilizing technology. So, schedule of courses. Once you click the schedule of courses tool, there's a little note here. Please check this site's schedule of courses weekly. So this would be, if anybody had comments, you could add comments here. There's a calendar also listed. Resources. There's some resources. The iPad resource. This is that I posted. Okay. And this will be a part of the site where we could, as the owner, I could add in material. Announcements. Could be a part where if a teacher found, like, if they sent me an email or something that I thought that they were utilizing very well, then I could send them, I could post an announcement, or if there's any changes. If there's any changes that needed to be posted about anything, I could use this space here. So let's go back to courses. And let's click in where it says Course A, Samr model. This is where they would receive, receive the instruction. So they could click Samr for teachers, which is more of a reading material that they could read about it. I've created goals because I think with each course there should be goals. Like, what will the learner be able to do as a result of? So as a result of taking this course, they will be able to understand what the Samr model is. They will be able to apply the Samr model to their classroom lessons, transform previous lessons via using and understanding the Samr model. So this is an excellent video here that discusses the Samr model in detail. Here's some review questions, and I've even uploaded a podcast that allows the learner to just listen to it. This video provides a visual podcast for more auditory learners, followed up with some post questions, thinking about moving from the modification to redefinition, keeping these questions in mind. And at any time, actually, I can't say at any time, but at a scheduled time, twice a week, the learner will be able to start a Google Hangout, and this will be posted on the calendar to let them know when Google Hangout times will be available, which allows for the face-to-face interaction and for increased collaboration. Followed by a review of the Samr model here, what it looks like in a chart format. And then again, when the Google Hangouts would be posted, this would be updated for when we would have our first Google Hangout meeting. It will be added to the calendar right here. So this is where the learning would occur, right in this section. And again, in the syllabus it said we could have a mini course, and this is my mini course. This is my course that's being developed for teachers. I think it looks very promising. I think it's organized, and I do feel that teachers do need a visual, which is going to be within the course. They do need a visual. They do need review questions, post questions, a podcast, a time for actual face-to-face review, and another visual that's stagnant, or I should say still. This is a still visual. This is more of an interactive action video. So this is review. Then there's a contact page for if they had any questions. My contact information would be listed. Clicking the little telephone down there, my contact information would be listed.